Okay, my GPS has me going down this dirt road to get here, so this is probably a shortcut. It's just a little weird. Country vibes. So you want to live in the Dallas area, but you want to be in the suburbs? Well, Frisco is a place for you. And today we're going to be touring some luxury apartments that are way more affordable than what you would find in downtown Dallas. Okay, so this is a one-bedroom apartment here at this place in Frisco, which is really, really nice. I love it. You can echo the furniture, but we have this super tall ceiling. It's like 14-foot ceiling. It's crazy tall. And this big kitchen island. You have a built-in desk over here, which is super nice. You get a ton of cabinet space, all the different papers, computer, all that good stuff. So you have a work space here, and a lot of other workspaces around the room. And then just a grand living space over here.
Hey, good. You can go to the kitchen.
Oh yeah, the kitchen is very new, very updated. This is one of the newest buildings around here. Best looking item. Okay, so you have this deep sink right here, the gold or bronze finishes, stove, the dark blue cabinetry, and you can light it on top. Yes. And then we're going here to
So much space.
Yeah, very spacious in here. I like it a lot. And the closet is in here in the bathroom. I love this bathroom. We have dual sinks, beautiful finishes, nice and bright. And then the shower, check this out.
Yes.
Look how spacious the shower is. You can just sit down in here while you shower. So there's no tell, but the shower is like so much better.
We really don't see that in rentals, not in a rental.
Beautiful. And then you have this walk-in closet.
These doors, I was running into it.
The walk-in closet with the built-in storage over here, and that's where you're gonna find your washer and dryer also.
I just feel like you could put a bed right there and
Yeah,
fall asleep.
There's enough space for a twin bed right there. So this is cool if you live on the first floor, like you get this enclosed space. So it's like a house vibe. See how tall the ceilings are? And you don't get this on all of them, see? Only some of them. Okay, so now we're in the 2-bedroom. Come in, you have your little mudroom. Coat closet. This kitchen is beautiful. Double door fridge. Everything's very new, modern, clean. What'd you say?
Decent sized patio.
Yeah, decent sized patio. Washer and dryer. It's a full-size bathtub. I like the gold accents on everything. And then for this bedroom, this will be the walk-in closet. Bedroom. We are kind of close to the main road out here. It's still far away. Okay, so here's the other bathroom, which is a nice size also. It's literally like the same, except this one has a bigger closet. Much bigger, actually. Oh, there's a light. Okay, so this is the studio. I love that.
Yeah, it's kind of just a small detail, but it makes a difference if you're never had
Bottle storage up there.